After you set up Google Earth, you're ready to do some exploration. So your job is going to be to answer the following. The first thing you're going to do is find the equator on the globe, and then answer the question, what are two countries the equator goes through? After you've done that, you're ready to search for the prime meridian and answer the question, what are two countries the prime meridian goes through? Once you've done those two things, you're ready for the challenge part of the exploration. So the first part of the challenge is to find the Tropic of Cancer and then two countries that the Tropic of Cancer goes through. After that, you're looking for the Tropic of Capricorn and two countries that the Tropic of Capricorn goes through. The next part of the challenge is to find the Arctic Circle and two countries that it goes through. The last part of the challenge is to find the Antarctic Circle and two countries that the Antarctic Circle goes through. So all of these that I'm having you search for are the major lines of longitude and latitude. So they're imaginary. We can't actually see them, but we use them in a way that helps us find the exact locations of places in our world.